Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back at Sherry Vans. Today I have a brand new, this is a 2021 mobility van on the 2021 Chrysler Pacifica chassis. This is a brand new van with a brand new wheelchair conversion in it. It's the long channel, which means you can fit up to 2 wheelchairs in it. This is in the Pacifica S, so it's going to have a lot of equipment on the van itself that I'll go over with you today. But let's start here with the ramp and mobility system here. So this is a manual ramp. Nice gentle approach, as you can see there. Easy to wheel the chair up into the van. The ramp itself is 34 inches wide. The bottleneck, or the skinny part of the channel here, is going to be right here, just under 33 inches. That's your ramp catch, and I'll talk about that here in a second. The channel is 99 inches long and about 34 inches wide. It does have tie downs currently in the floor for 2 sets of chairs. It comes with 1 set of the Q-strand tie downs. If you want the second set, that can be purchased separately. Has your shoulder belt for both spots. Slip resistant rubber channel flooring there. This is a slip resistant powder coated aluminum ramp. Handles on both sides to help you get it up, but it's really easy to get up. Weighs about 7 pounds, whether you're raising or lowering. That's because it's assisted by 2 gas-filled shocks. And then I mentioned that ramp catch. That's what keeps this ramp in place in travel mode. And then these 2 latches keep it from rattling and keep the ramp itself against that catch. Also, that ramp catch keeps that ramp in place if this vehicle to ever happen to be in a rear end collision. Very nice safety factor there. Now, this van itself is equipped with the power liftgate, and that can be controlled right here on your keyless entry using that button. Also has power sliding doors and remote start, as well as lock and unlock. I'll go ahead and hit the power gate there. The wheelchair conversion itself does come with a warranty, which is 3 years and unlimited miles. So a really strong warranty on that. Now let's go over some of the features of the van. It does have your backup sensors still installed in the rear bumper. They're just moved over, of course. Still has your backup monitor that comes on your 10.1-inch color touchscreen radio. Wiper defrosting rear window here. Coming around to the passenger side, going to have your power sliding rear doors. The color on this is granite, and it's the S package, which gives you the black accenting, including the wheels and around all the windows. Really good looking trim. Still has 4 of the factory seats. The rear seats are moved over to allow more room here for a wheelchair. Still have factory seat belts and still can sit comfortably there. You can also run the power sliding doors right here. Now, this front of this van has not been altered. It's in its original state as it came brand new. Again, black accenting on the grille, Chrysler logo. Does have adaptive cruise control and forward collision warning plus. What that is that's going to, if someone would happen to pull out in front of you at last minute, this van's going to react probably before you will with that forward collision warning. And then the adaptive cruise control, that's where you set your speedometer on cruise. And if someone would happen to slow down in front of you, it's going to slow down the vehicle as well, as long as you're in the adaptive cruise. I'll show you that when we get inside. Has your 18-inch alloy wheels. Again, the black accenting in it. 4-wheel disc brakes on this. Let's go and check out some of the features inside here now. This does come with full warranty. Again, brand new van. You can see the window sticker here. Has the 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty and 3-year, 36,000-mile basic warranty from Chrysler. So starting with the features here on the window, does have remote control mirrors, 1-touch windows on the driver and passenger, power windows in the rear, power locks. And in the mirrors themselves, there is blind spot monitoring. So if someone would happen to be in your blind spot, this is going to light up in the corner of that mirror saying, hey, someone's on the outside of the vehicle. Now, financing is available on this van. And you can see what you qualify for by clicking on the link below that says financing. You can do it right from your device you're watching this on. Great rates and terms right now. Better lock them in before the interest rates go up, because they say they are. Also, you have a power seat and 4-way power lumbar, spot here for an umbrella. Nice premium cloth seats, the S badging, that's the trim level on this van. All right, let's come on in. Sorry, I was jamming here. All right, so we've got the automatic headlights. Looks like 17 miles on this van. Again, brand new van. Controls here for hands-free connectivity, so you can talk on this car's audio system hands-free on your cell phone. Back here we have tuning buttons, kind of hidden. Hidden buttons on this side are your radio volume buttons. This is your adaptive cruise control here. If you don't want to use that, don't worry, it still has your normal cruise control here. Over here is your 10.1-inch touchscreen radio. I'm going to click it in reverse, and your backup monitor is going to pop right up there. So on your radio, you've got AM, FM, and comes with 6 months free of Sirius radio. You have media controls, where you can plug in through USB or aux port your cell phone. You have your comfort controls. Let's go ahead and kick this on. This has dual climate zones. So you have your driver and your passenger, and actually this has 3 climate zones because the rear is a separate climate zone as well. You can set the temperature here, and then click your auto button right here. And that's automatically going to keep this vehicle at the preset temperature, just like your house would. And of course, you can run it all manually if you want. You've got phone control where you can connect your phone. And then you can go into your vehicle buttons here. This here is going to be controls on the individual vehicle itself. And then you've got your app controls here where you can download particular apps and run it on this here, such as your Sirius XM, and different controls there. So nice feature there. Down through here we have your automatic transmission selector. This here is your volume and tuning for your radio, and then this is going to be heating and air conditioning buttons and knobs. If you don't like the fancy TV screen, don't worry, you've got buttons down here for radio and air conditioner and heat. Parking sensors, you can turn those off. This also has lane assist. What that is, when you're driving on the highway, it's going to keep you in your lane. So if you like me and you drive distractively sometimes, that's nice to have. We have USB connectors here for your cell phone and your aux port. Kind of have your pull-out catch-all tray there. 2 plug-ins down there for power. Have a beverage holder here. Even more storage down below there. All around great vehicle. If you think this will work for you and suit some of your needs, by all means get in contact with us. If you have a trade-in, we are paying top dollar for trade. I don't care what it is. If it's got 4 wheels and moves, we definitely want it. So I actually created a form right on our website where you can figure out what it's worth right there by clicking on that form. So, well, this is this all-new 2021 Chrysler Pacifica. We have a great selection right now of mobility vans, but full-size conversion vans and rear entry mobility vans, as you can see here. A lot of them in stock. So we are your factory direct pricing source for these minivans. If you need any more information, we look forward to hearing from you. Just get in contact with us soon. Thanks for watching.